Hey Geek, so at the time of this video, I just purchased the Panasonic Lumix S5 2X full frame camera, and this one finally gave all of us Panasonic users something that we've been wanting and hoping for such a long time, and that is reliable video autofocus. And so this is something that I have definitely been waiting for ever since I got the Panasonic Lumix G85 Micro Four Thirds camera, which is what I'm using now. And since Panasonic just refused to release that system, just sticking with their DFD autofocus system, I decided to move over to Sony. And so I did have the Sony A7 IV full frame camera, and it is an amazing camera, especially when it comes to reliable video autofocus. But after using it for about 2 years, I kind of realized that there were things that I really missed about Panasonic. First of which is the stabilization. Even though the stabilization is really good with the Sony A7 IV, it was definitely not at Panasonic levels, and I missed that a lot, especially considering I am outside a lot doing vlogs. And then other things that I enjoyed about the Panasonic cameras are more video features. Even though the Sony A7 IV offers a lot, Panasonic is known for their video features, and that is the one place that they keep delivering. And then the other thing, which is more subjective, is the overall look of the Panasonic videos and images right out of the camera. And I really do like the way that looks. And I know you could actually fix this in post and make it look however you want, but straight out of camera, I do like the Panasonic's more cinematic, film-like look versus the more digital look of the Sony cameras and the Sony A7 IV specifically. And then another thing is just overall value. For what you're paying in the Panasonic system, I think you're going to get more out of your money versus the Sony ecosystem.